Hello children, let us continue chapter number 13, ways to multiply and divide. Now here it is, some more sums are there, more with multiplication and division. So here it is also some word problems are given, we are going to solve it. A tank is full of 300 liter of water. How much water will be filled in 25 tanks? If 15 buckets can be filled with one tank of water, how many buckets in all can be filled with the water in 25 tanks? So here let us solve this problem. So it is given that amount of water in one tank. I expand it. Amount of water in one tank is equal to 300 liter. Then the amount of water in 25 tanks, we have 25 tanks, and in one tank 300 liter can fill. So 25 multiplied by 300 liter. So our answer is 7500 liter. Next, the number of bucket, this one was the first answer. Okay, 7500 is our first answer. Now for the second question, let us find the number of buckets that can be filled with one tank of water is equal to 15. That means from one tank we can fill 15 buckets. But how many tanks do we have? Yes, they are 25. We have 25 tanks. So number of buckets that can be filled with 25 tanks of water is equal to 25 multiplied by 15. So here it is, multiplication is given. Now you are very well aware and you know the multiplication method properly. So I am not going to explain it. For your reference it is given, but when you solve this sum, you have to do this multiplication method in your page. Hence 375 buckets can be filled with 25 tanks of water. So this one was our second answer. The next sum is given. There are 28 laddus in 1 kg. How many laddus will be there in 12 kgs? If 16 laddus can be packed in one box, how many boxes are needed to pack all these laddus? So here it is also, we have to solve two questions and we have to find out two answers. First of all, that is, we have 28 laddus in 1 kg. So in 1 kg, if 28 laddus are there, in 12 kg, how many laddus will be there? So simply multiplication of 28 and 12 have to do. This will be our first answer. Now if 16 laddus can be packed in one box, so number of laddus now we have got. Okay, when we multiply these, we will get number of laddus, total number of laddus. Now 16 laddus in one box, so this much laddu will packed in how many boxes? So that we are going to solve. The first one is given, laddus in 1 kg, that is 28. Then the number of laddus in 12 kg, so 28 multiplied by 12. So we'll get answer 336. So number of laddus in 12 kg are 336. Now what is given? In one box, how many laddus we can fill? Yes, it is 16. So in number of laddus that can be packed in one box is equal to 16. So number of boxes required to pack 336 laddus is equal to 336 divided by 16. So here it is, the division is given, 336 divided by 16. So I will get answer 21. So hence 21 boxes are needed to pack all the laddus. Is it clear, children? Okay, the next one is, there are 26 rooms in a school. Each room has 4 plants. If each plant need 2 cups of water, how much water do we need for all in plants? So first of all, tell me how many rooms are there? Yes, 26 rooms. And in each room, how many plants are there? 4 plants. So first we have to find out number of plants, total plants we have. So simply 26 multiplied by 4 we have to do. Okay. Now this was the first answer. Now in second one, what we have asked? So each plant needs 2 cups of water. Okay. So for one plant we need 2 cups of water. So for these much plants, how many cups of water do we need? So that we have to find out. So here also we are going to find out 2 answers. Let us continue. Okay, number of rooms in the school is equal to 26. Number of plants in each room is equal to 4. Now, so the total number of plants is equal to 26 multiplied by 4. So our answer is 104. That means we have total 104 plants. Okay, so it was our first answer. Now the second one. Number of cups needed for each plant is equal to 2 cups. That means in one plant we have to pour 2 cups of water. Okay, but how many plants do we have? 104. Then the total number of cups required for 104 plants equal to 104 multiplied by 2 is equal to 208. So total 208 cups we required. Hence we need 208 cups of water for all the plants. So this way we can find out 2 answers. Okay children, so for today that's it, and do proper practice for it, and thank you.